Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For those who are first time in here, hope you learned something from this channel, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell notification below so you'll never miss any of my new videos. In this episode, we will be cooking banana Q, which is a popular snack food or street food in the Philippines. It's made with deep-fried bananas coated in caramelized brown sugar. Join me until the end to show you how. Let us ensure that the ripeness of our banana is just right, not mushy, not soft. You can cut the bananas in shapes you want. Mine, I am cutting it in half. Bananas are known as a source of vitamin C. Potassium in bananas is good for our health and blood pressure. And so here it is, guys, our banana Q. Very easy and quick to make. Hope you have enjoyed this cooking demo, and please don't forget to share it with your friends. Have a good day, stay safe and healthy. God bless us. Bye!